Triads are 3-note chords, and if we play these 3 notes one after each other, then they're called arpeggios. These 3 notes are sometimes called chord tones, and chord tones are really useful when creating bass lines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build triads off each note of the major scale. This is a really important method because it means if you're in a key, you can work out what every chord is in that key and whether the chord is major or minor. If you've always been confused by this side of music theory, or you want to find out more about triads and chords, then watch on as I'll explain all of this in a very straightforward way. I'll also give you an exercise that you can take away to help to practice these triads. I've put all the information from this video on a PDF. You can get that for free by clicking the link below this video in the description. Just fill out your best email address and I'll deliver it to your inbox. So we're going to build triads on every note of the major scale. We're going to use G major scale for this video, but you can apply this method to any key. This is G major scale. And these are the notes of the G major scale. To build a triad on G, we just take the first, the third and the fifth note of the scale, okay? So we play the first note, miss out a note, okay? Play the third note, miss out a note and play the fifth note, okay? So that's the triad. If we put the root note on the top, we get that G as well. Okay, we're just going to play the 3 notes though. Okay, so that's a triad built on G. And this triad's major. We've got the major third there, okay, and the fifth, okay? Now, if we build a triad on the next note, A, okay, we're still going to use the notes from G major scale. We play A, okay, we miss out the next note, play C, miss out the next note, play E. Okay, so that's our root, minor third, and fifth, okay, same as the fifth there, okay. So this triad, the second triad, is minor. Remember, we've used only the notes from the G major scale, okay. So the triad on G, the triad on A. Okay, the next note, B, let's build the triad from B. Play B, miss a note, play D, miss a note, play F sharp, okay? Okay? So that's minor as well. So we're just using the notes from the G major scale. Okay, the next note, C, miss a note, play the third, E, miss a note, play the fifth, okay? So that's major, major third, okay? We'll do it on D, play D, miss a note, F sharp, miss a note, A. So that's major on D, and then we go to E, okay? Miss a note, G, miss a note, B. Okay, now I've stacked 2 G major scales on top of each other to give us all these notes, or we run out of notes, okay? And then F sharp, okay, the next note, miss a note, play A, miss a note, C, okay? Now this is a really interesting one, okay? When you build a triad on the 7th note of the scale, you get a diminished triad. So you've got what that means. You've got the minor third and then a flattened fifth, flat 5. Okay. All right, so that's diminished, and then we'll start on G again. Play G there, miss out the next note, play B, miss out the next note, play D. Okay, so that's just to show you how we build the triad. So we only use the notes from the G major scale because we're building it on the G major scale, okay? So you start the triad on each note of the scale and just use the notes from the G major scale. And that gives us our major and minor and one diminished triad. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. So we end up with this formula when we're constructing the triads from a major scale. The first triad's major, the next one's minor, then minor, major, major, minor, diminished, okay? We can put a major on top if we want to start again. So it's major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Okay, and these triads give us our chords. Okay, so in the key of G, you know what each chord is, okay, starting on each note. Like I said before, this formula works for every scale, every major scale, okay? So if we were in the key of A, we'd do the same procedure. We'd play the A major scale and then we'd build the triad on each degree of the scale. I'm now going to show you an exercise that you can use to practice these triads. We're just going to play each triad together like this. So on G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay? So we're just playing the triad, so we've got 3 notes in each bar. Okay, so that's the exercise. You can make it harder if you want and come back down again, so it's harder to come back down. I'll play that for you now. Okay, so it's a bit more tricky remembering where you are when you come back down. So what I suggest you do now is go through the method that I showed you in this video. So do that for G major scale. Make sure you understand it. You understand that we're just using the notes of the G major scale. And then try it in a different key. Try it in C, for example. After you've tried it in C, look at the back of the PDF booklet, which you can download for free by clicking the link in the description. And I'll put the answers for the triad in the key of C as well, C major. So work it out yourself and then look at the answers. After that, practice the exercises that I've just shown you. Exercise 1 just goes up, is ascending. Exercise 2 goes up and comes down again, ascending and descending. Well, I hope you found this lesson useful. Let me know by leaving a comment below what you thought of the video. And there's a lot of theory in here, so if you've got any questions or anything you're stuck on, then let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. They're $5. The details are on the bottom of the screen here, or you can click the links below in the description. You can really help me out by liking and sharing this video and also subscribing to my channel here on YouTube. And check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got base courses, base books, details of my membership. There's loads on there, so that's gbshed.com. This is Greg from Greg's Base Shed. Hopefully see you in the next video very soon.